Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of is class Patshala. Today we will solve a nice equation here given that two equation x square plus y square equal to 45 and y square plus z square equal to 40. Then find out the value of x equal to what, y equal to what and z equal to what. Now we start the solving the system. We give the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we get from equation number 1 minus equation number 2, we get is equal to x square plus y square equal to 45 and y square plus z square equal to 40. Okay, so here will be minus y square is cancelled and x square minus z square is equal to, here subtracting we get is equal to 5. Now we can write here x plus y and x minus y equal to 5. Here we use a formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, here we have written x plus y and x minus y equal to 5 and we can write 5 into 1. So here it will be x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. If we think otherwise, x minus y equal to 5 and x plus z x minus z. Okay, if we think the x plus z equal to 1 and x minus z equal to 5, that is impossible because two integer number is positive and their at summation is will be greater than other hand the minus of this positive integer is less than. Okay, so here we can write x plus z equal to 5 and x minus z equal to 1. Okay, in this equation number 3 and it is equation number 4. Now we get by adding this equation 3 plus equation 4, we can write here x plus z is equal to 5 and x minus z is equal to 1. Okay, and z and z is cancelled and 2x equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get 6 by 2 cancel is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Okay, it is the value of x and we get from equation 1, from equation number 1 we can write by putting x equal to 3, 3 square plus y square equal to 45. So 9 plus y square equal to 45, and y square is equal to 45 minus 9, and y square equal to 36. So 36 is equal to 6 square, so y equal to 6. The value of y equal to z. Now we get from the equation number 2, from equation 2 is equal to, here we will put the value of y is equal to 6. So 6 square plus z square is equal to 40. Okay, 6 square is equal to 36, z square is equal to 40. So z square is equal to 40 minus 36, and z square is equal to 4, or z square is equal to 2 square. So z equal to 2, z equal to 2. It is the value of z. So we get x equal to 3, y is equal to 6, and z is equal to 2. Okay, it is the solution of solution of this equation. Here x equal to 3, y equal to 6, and z equal to 2 is positive integer. Okay, if you enjoyed this math, please comment, like and share with your friend, and subscribe my channel to get new update video. Okay, thank you.